Hello everyone, Carwow just did Jesko vs Chiron SS race.
This video is just for demonstration purposes. Credits to Carwow, congratulations them for hitting 10 million subscribers. If you want me to remove the video, I will do it immediately.
I started receiving so many comments about this drag race. So that's why I wanted to make this video to show everything what happened.
Oh, come on, hook! Oh my God! We're off. Blimey!
Chiron SS left the Jesko in dust.
Whoa! This is a clear win. He didn't get the traction, no four-wheel drive.
Bugatti launched after 0.5 seconds. He reacted after half a second. Or they were basically giving Jesko a head start. This makes a huge difference in quarter-mile race. Matt Watson always jumps in drag races. He didn't do that here any reason.
Bro, there is no way a RWD car on this dusty surface that can match a AWD car launch off the line. Chiron SS did 0 to 60 mph in 2.3 seconds. Jesko Attack did 0 to 60 mph in 3.3 seconds on Top Gear test. And it was on a much better surface than this.
Oh, come on! Come on! Come on!
This second drag race looks scripted. Or staged to me. They either tried to make the Jesko win. Or to make it a much closer drag race. Obviously for the Koenigsegg fans.
Whichever car won that won the drag race.
I think that's fair.
This is the thing.
So then what exactly happened? Well, it was extremely close, but the slow motion action replay reveals that the Bugatti won by the narrowest of margins. However, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 9.6 seconds.
Well, I'm pretty sure this Chiron SS vs Jesko second drag race is fully staged to make it much closer. To show that Chiron SS isn't much faster than Jesko. Well, we all know Chiron SS got 9.1 seconds quarter mile. And 14.1 seconds standing half mile on car and driver test. Jesko Attack did 10.09 seconds quarter mile on Top Gear test. And half mile in 14.81 seconds. And this Jesko run was done on a much better surface. From the test results, Chiron SS is much faster than Jesko. On a dig race or a standstill drag race at quarter and half mile.
Come on. Oh, I think he struggled with traction. Now I'm gone. Wow. I'm totally gone.
Jesko was supposed to pull on Chiron after 200 km per hour. Because Jesko does 200 to 300 km per hour in 4.3 seconds. While a Chiron SS does 200 to 300 km per hour in 6.3 seconds. As Bugatti says.
This time we're going to do it from 100 kilometers an hour in third gear. Hopefully you'll be all right for traction, Sam.
Even in second gear at 100 km per hour, Chiron SS will have turbo lag due to low RPM, and Matt Watson did 100 km per hour roll race in third gear. So it got 0 RPM, no boost available, no torque available. In this rolling race right here, do you understand why Matt Watson chose third gear at a 100 km per hour roll race? And why he did not choose second gear at 100 km per hour roll race? The first gear 50 miles per hour rolling race would be much better. In the Chiron Super Sport, while third gear roll race at 100 km per hour is perfect power band for Jesko, it does 60 to 100 km per hour in third gear. Instantly shifts to fourth gear after 100 km.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, bloody hell. He was on boost, now I'm coming back. It's too late.
In second or third gear at 50 or 60 miles per hour roll race, Chiron SS has massive turbo lag due to low RPM. Turbos won't kick in before 4000 RPM, so no point. There's no boost available. That's why I'm saying roll race should be done in first gear at 50 miles per hour in Chiron Super Sport or regular Chiron. You should be at lower gear at higher RPM on rolling races. Basically in every car or a bike. For example, go watch Dobre Car's roll race between Tesla Plaid and regular Chiron. In first gear 50 miles per hour rolling race, Chiron instantly pulls away and gaps Tesla Plaid, and Chiron keeps pulling away the whole way, while in second gear at 50 miles per hour or 60 miles per hour roll race. In Chiron it gets left behind due to turbo lag, and Chiron struggles to catch Tesla. Tesla gets away really well because Chiron was in wrong gear. While in first gear Chiron 50 miles per hour roll, Chiron easily smoked Tesla Plaid. Even on full 1600 HP, Jesko attack is not even remotely close to a Chiron Super Sport. In drag races or rolling races at standing quarter mile or half mile. In an actual proper race even at standing 1 mile. Maybe the Jesko Absolute will be faster at standing 1 mile roll race. Against the Chiron Super Sport, still Chiron SS also beats Jesko Absolute at standing quarter mile and half mile drag races. Chiron SS, which did 490 km per hour 304.77 miles per hour top speed run. that Chiron SS would be much faster than Jesko Absolute in drag races over standing quarter mile, half mile or standing 1 mile. And maybe even in rolling races. Rimac Nevera is already over 1 second faster than Jesko Absolute at standing 1 mile drag race. Rimac Nevera did 1 mile in 20.5 seconds at 246 miles per hour. While Jesko Absolute did standing 1 mile in 21.5 seconds at 256 miles per hour. Chiron SS 300 Plus will be also faster than Rimac Nevera at standing 1 mile and 2 mile drag races.